So today, we will learn about targeting the audience. Targeting your audience in SEO means optimizing your website to attract the right people, those who are most likely to be interested in your content or product. It involves understanding what they search for, what problems they have, and creating content that meets their need and answer their questions. Bounce. Bounce refers to when a visitor lands on the web page and leaves without interacting further, such as clicking link or viewing other pages. A high bounce rate may indicate that the content isn't engaging or relevant to the visitor, while a low bounce rate suggests users are exploring more of the site. Personas. Personas are fictional representation of your ideal customer, created based on data and research. They include details like demographic, behavior, goals, and challenges. Personas help businesses understand their audience better, allowing them to tailor marketing strategies, content, and product to meet the need of specific customer group. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to help us create a persona of someone in London who wants to buy gym membership. It will then create a sample persona for us with other informations. Keyword. A keyword is a word or phrase that people type in search engine to find information. In SEO, keywords help businesses understand what their audience is searching for. By using relevant keyword in website content, business can improve their chances of showing up in search results and attracting more visitors. There are many different tools to use for keyword research, including Google Search Trend or Bing Webmaster Tool. For example, let's use ChatGPT to get some keyword. I need 5 different keywords for gym membership. It will then provide with 5 different keywords I can use. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about keyword in content. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.